I started out as a textile hanger, and now I'm a cashier. I get extremely excited when I'm cashiering. It's the best thing that ever happened to me.
When I first got here, Paige was hanging merchandise that had been pre-sorted for her. She expressed an interest to learn to tag her own items. A couple months later, she said, I want to be a cashier. So we got her on Goodwill Academy, got her all trained, and then shortly after she started her training, she was a cashier. She's responsible for typical cashier duties. She rings up customers, she promotes Roundup, she promotes our customer service survey, she accepts payments, but most of all, she gives that outstanding customer experience.
I do get help as needed. If I'm the only cashier up front, I call for backup and or managers.
Paige's challenges are not unlike the challenges we all face. Everyone learns and processes information at different rates. We interact with people around us based on our experience. So what Paige has demonstrated, though, is a resilience to push through her own unique challenges to do her best. Paige has two nicknames, Perky Paige and Positive Paige. She brings a lot of both to work with her every day. Paige is a very determined young lady. She loves engaging people.
I'm the most sociable around customers. I enjoy talking with customers, and I give fist bumps to customers for every roundup.
What I'd like for other associates to learn from Paige is to challenge yourself to do more. Paige consistently looks for ways to learn more and do better. When embracing boundaries is your culture, you create an environment where people can grow and thrive, and the Goodwill Mission does exactly that.
My loyalty to the company is very strong. I give 1,000% dedication with honor.
I'd like to actually read a couple customer surveys that I have brought with me. Paige is an absolute delight of a cashier. She gets to know her shoppers personally, is so polite and helpful, and gives the best fist bumps when you round up. She makes shopping at this store the best Goodwill around. Miss Paige is without a doubt one of the sweetest, most positive people I have met in retail. She is delightful to meet with and speak with, and I hope she stays with you for a very, very long time.